All right, Bob, let's take a look at that radar and see who's still getting some rain.
And we will momentarily, but first,
the
ski report.
Ski report.
Brought to you by our fine folks at Sun Valley, where they are open and skiing up there. In fact, they're going to open up some brand new terrain. That's the latest I heard. Bogus Basin, no new snow in the last 24 hours. They did get some rain at the base, 6.5 inches of snow in the last 7 days, 3 inches in the last 7 days at Brundage Mountain. Both Bogus and Brundage, of course, waiting to get a little bit more snow. Anthony Lakes, 4 inches new, 20 at the base. They're not quite open yet. Neither is Tamarack, 6 at the base, 18 at the summit. However, Sun Valley, one of my favorite places to ski. It is 4 inches of new snow, 12 inches in the last 3 days. They are open. Paul Morrell, they're open on a limited basis. They always are one of the first to open up. No problem getting snow there, or at Grand Targhee for that matter. 37 at the base, 10 inches in the last 7 days. Soldier Mountain still needs a bit more. Well, there's a quick look at radar. It is raining in some locations, but first off, let's talk about the weather headlines. Yeah, still looks a little wet out there, but I can see some breaks in the clouds. We're actually getting some sunshine in between those breaks, those sun breaks, if you will. Dry and mild for your Friday with our showers decreasing throughout the day today. Drier Saturday and Sunday and the first part of the work week. Now on Saturday, we do have about a 30% chance of rain in the morning. Should not be a factor at all for that big BSU game later in the day. There's our radar map. Showers tracking still to the north of us around Emmett, move through Caldwell. They're now moving to the east. Looks like they'll track just to the north of Boise along the Boise front. 44 degrees in Meridian, 42 in Caldwell. Our temperatures are pretty mild today. Didn't have any problems with slick roads around the Boise area. However, like I mentioned, I-84, they did shut down the interstate because of some ice on the roads. They also saw quite a bit more fog over there in eastern Oregon as well. Got a low pressure system just off the northwest coast that is tracking to the north. As it does, it's going to take the clouds and showers with it. Some drier air working its way in from the southwest. That's our weather future. Also, it's bringing up some fairly mild air, so snow levels are pretty high this time around. For the weekend, we're looking pretty dry with a storm track farther to the north. Here's our forecast. Snow and rain, snow level 6,000 feet, 1 inch for the mountains around Sun Valley. For our west central mountains, you're looking at 1 to 2 inches of snow. The snow level a little higher there at 6,500 feet. And our forecast for Boise calls for showers decreasing and then fog, a possibility tomorrow morning. I think we'll see it more widespread. And for the rest of Friday, decreasing clouds. Next chance of showers Saturday morning, only in the morning. Not later in the day, mostly sunny for Sunday, and then drier after that. Back to Brian.